What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese, and in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I flat ironed this synthetic ass wig. Excuse my French, but sis, honestly, and I reviewed this wig on my channel before, so if you want to see that initial review, I'll leave the link down below. The hair was already super nice and soft, but it was just so big, and I'm like, I've always wanted to straighten a synthetic wig, so let me go ahead and try. And honey, y'all, and look how natural. So if you would like to see how I flat ironed this synthetic wig, then just keep on watching.
You're the king? And you never told us?
This is what you call a flip. Tinky from a hard brick. Bentley from his mama whip. K.O.B. he hard as shit. When I think about you, I think hope. I think hope. When I dream about you, I think hope. I think hope. I don't stay here, I think hope. When I see you with my nigga, cause I think hope.
Yeah. I just want to cry. It looks so good. This wig is only like $40. So sis, go cop this. Yeah, when I did my initial review, I was in love with the hair. The freaking lace on this unit is so natural. Like, I literally, sis, like what? If you guys would like to see a video on how I got this to look more natural, because I didn't leave anything out, definitely give it a thumbs up or comment down below telling me you want to see how I did this, because literally it takes zero time, honey. So if you want to see, I'll show you. Obviously this little piece is mine, but other than that, my hair is all up and away. Underneath I just have it in some mini twists, and I put a wig cap on, like this tan colored wig cap. Girl, put the wig on, honey. It is originally a middle part. I put it to the side because I just like side parts on me better. But y'all, this turned out really good. Like, it doesn't look synthetic at all. It's super flowy. I'm not gonna lie, the ends do tangle sometimes. I mean, it's synthetic. So see that? The ends are getting tangled a little bit, but overall, this hair straightens so freaking well. And it looks cute. Hey sis. Just get into this. Just get into this. Just get into it. Sis, just get into it. That's all. I didn't do anything at all to the lace. Like wet. Bomb, right? Yeah, girl. Alright, you guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. And also hit that bell notification symbol so that you will get notified every time I upload. So, thank you guys so much. As always, I love you and I'll see you in the next one.